All right, let's do a market update. Last time we talked, I was saying Bitcoin was getting a bull breakout here, which was above 112,000, and the price target on that bull breakout was right around 118,000. And since then, we have hit the price target and we've exceeded it, going up to 122,000. So real quick, I'll give you some new price targets. Above 118,000, you're looking for 122, 126, and then if we get above 126, we're getting extremely bullish, but also close to a very critical level, which will be up here at 134,000. Now, don't get too excited. I am going to put a little bit of caution out there today, and this is a very bullish market ever since we bottomed in April, but I will caution you and say that it is cautiously bullish. And what I mean by cautiously bullish is, I mean, while we are in these bull trends, I do think we are hitting very critical levels that could lead to corrections or at least modest pullbacks before this bull trend can continue. And one of those levels is going to be right here, right around Bitcoin levels of 118 to 122,000. Now let's jump over to SPY, because that is also at another critical level. And on here, I said SPY was likely heading higher towards 627. And we are hitting that level as of today. And we also hit it on Tuesday. And this level is very critical, meaning don't just assume we're going to blast right through it. And if we do get through 627, this bull trend will just continue, because it's all on price action, higher lows and higher highs, which is a very objective bull trend. Nobody needs to be convinced this is a bull trend. And obviously, if it's trending higher, the easiest trade is still going to be long trades. So there are still going to be lots of stocks going higher while this is the case. But if SPY starts turning around here and starts to reject from 627, and then we can come all the way back down here and break the support at 617 and 613, then I do think you need to be very cautious and look for more downside in this market. However, that actually has to happen, and it can't just be said that it could happen. We actually need to witness it through price. And until that happens, this market could just continue to drift higher in this bull trend. Now, it doesn't matter if you want to hear that or not. That is just the objective evidence on the chart, and that is the truth of what is occurring. If this market starts to break levels of SPY 627, we are going to just continue to melt up higher and higher and higher. And as you can tell, the next target is all the way up there at 645. Now, be cautious about it, because if we start to get high volume selling and we reject from resistance, you want to get very defensive quickly, because the downside could be very fast, because there is that saying, the bears take the elevator down and the bulls take the stairs. And as you can tell, the bulls have been in the elevator, but lately we have just been drifting higher slowly but surely over time. And that is the saying, the bulls take the stairs up. So at some point, this market will reach a point where people want to get out and lock profits, and bears want to step in and short the market. And then when that happens, you are going to see it very evidently through price getting a very high volume rejection. And that should start a pullback and or correction. So be on the lookout for that. Nobody knows exactly when, but it could be very soon. And these are very critical levels that I just showed you on Bitcoin and SPY. And then of course, we need to look at the NASDAQ 100, because that is also at my price target, which was up here between 561 and 562. And we did hit that price target today. So these are all levels that bulls could be looking to lock profits and bears could be looking to try to short this market from, which could lead to a pullback. So watch these critical levels on the triple Qs. If we reject 562 and then come down here and break below this support right around 550, that could easily start a pullback that comes all the way back down into the 530s or 520s. So treat that seriously if you see it. Again, we actually have to see it. We could talk about it all day, but until it actually starts to happen on the chart and through price, there's really nothing else we can do other than just be ready for it if it occurs. Keyword being if it occurs, because trading is always a reaction to the price action on the chart. And until that happens, this is still a bull trend. If we start seeing the triple Qs breaking out above 562, that means we're just going to start drifting higher. And as you can tell, the next price target above 562 is all the way up there at 580. Again, I'm not saying we need to go to 580 right now. I do think there's a good chance we get a pullback, but be prepared for all of these scenarios and understand it's a bull trend until it's not. And the trend is your friend until the end. All that means is continue to trade in the direction of the trend for the highest probability chance, and don't try to call a top and be a hero. The odds and probabilities are saying the market wants to go higher while it's in a bull trend. And as you can see, SPY, the triple Qs, and Bitcoin are still in bull trends. So that means the odds and higher probabilities are still going to be that stocks want to go higher. Until that's not the case, that's the case. So stay on the bull trend or just sit in cash and be patient. There's always an next best trade right around the corner, and there is plenty of stocks that are still at great risk reward ratios. And that is what I would be focused on right here, is look for those stocks that are still valuable and at good risk reward ratios where you can set up nice trade setups and you can still trade this market without without having to feel like you're buying at all-time highs on some of these other stocks and the indices. Very quickly, we'll take a look at our performance year to date. We are up 21.54%. As I said, this is just really a low volume melt up market. There's not too much to be doing just yet, but that will change when we get into volatility, and we will be here ready to strike because we are very cash heavy and ready to strike on any volatility that shows up in the market. And as you can see, being up 21.54%, we are absolutely crushing this market, and there's no reason to take on too many risk here. So remember, you can have this exact same performance because this is my alert service called TSC Trade Alerts, where you get all of my buy and sell alerts for my exact percent allocations for the TQQQ or the SQQQ. If you want to come trade with me, this is the best way to do that, and you can find out how to join by clicking on the link in the description of this video. So thank you for watching, everybody. Now go crush this market.